Okay, so we have near enough finished the first of these potatoes. So this is going to get all ploughed out. I'm going to top all these weeds off this today and plough it over tomorrow. Well, I'll rip it and plough it. Then the whole field will get ploughed. So then we roll it and leave it until next year. And yeah, this is the end of the first early potatoes. We don't do much. We have got a potato lifter, but oh shit, almost fell over then. But yeah, we are near enough finished this year for potatoes. So you just got the second lot to do, then job's a good one. So yeah, and then we'll be on cutting trees back and doing the forest and all. So yeah, all good stuff. Yeah, it's not looking too bad. Just gonna get some of this mud off the moldboards. So yeah, not looking too bad. Sort that out. So far so good. Okay, this is the Ford 4000. Gonna finish off ploughing the field today. Yes, looking alright. The plough on. They just got that little corner piece and the top bit to do. It's going over alright. This is a little 3-fire, one-way plough, so you can only go one way with it. But yeah, she's looking alright so far. So did the plough okay yesterday, so I'm just gonna go back up there, put that back in. Yeah, so oh dear, jump in. The key, the water's okay, just check that. Okay, hope everybody's doing alright. I'm going to grease up the moldboards. That's the last time getting used for a while. Yeah, I'm going to start the tractor up. I check the water and crack on. Just going to grease it up and hitch the ripper on to rip that plough ground, what I've done the other day.